Motorcraft parts. For performance, for fit, for getting it done right the first time.
Some of the most important safety equipment on any customer's Ford vehicle are the brakes. When it's time for new brake pads on a customer's Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury vehicle, Motorcraft brake pads are an easy choice. They're competitively priced and include all needed hardware right in the box. All pads and shoes are Ford Engineering approved, and beveled chamfers on pads help eliminate vibration for smooth stops. Plus, slots in the pads aid heat dissipation, and noise-damping insulators and shims help prevent squeal. And the 3-leaf end symbol means our pads contain less than 0.5% copper by weight. When you need to replace a rotor, Motorcraft rotors are a great choice. They're competitively priced and crafted from high-carbon castings to help enhance heat dissipation and extend brake life. Motorcraft rotors are also coated to protect non-braking surfaces to help the repair last longer. The coating also helps reduce corrosion in the vanes and maintain long-term balance. They're ready to install right out of the box. No need to remove messy coatings and no machining required. Motorcraft coatings help inhibit corrosion to the hub, which makes them easy to service too. And your customers will appreciate the precision engineering to help reduce noise and mill balancing for long life and vibration-free stops. When you need to replace calipers, all Motorcraft coated friction-ready calipers are ready to install right out of the box. The anchor bracket and hardware are included. Just add Motorcraft pads. They're easy to order, easy to install, and help reduce customer comebacks. These calipers use OE castings and are tested to earn the Motorcraft name. And when it comes to replacing a hub, Motorcraft has you covered. Motorcraft carries hub and bearing assemblies for most Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, including coverage for many higher mileage, later-in-life vehicles. Premium sealed assemblies help provide excellent performance, and micro-ground hub-to-rotor surfaces help minimize pedal vibration. Inner and outer raceways are designed for long service life, and an ABS sensing ring and wires are included. These make it easy to install and help ensure accurate ABS controller signals. Motorcraft parts are backed by a competitive warranty with no difference in protection, whether installed in cars, SUVs, or work trucks. And installers and fleets can also get labor reimbursements up to $75 an hour, using the same time allowance Ford techs use. Install the parts that install confidence with Motorcraft.